sweetest thing ever since your love from Ghana.
African girl, show them. Ah, show them. Ghanaian girl, show them. Ah, show them.
Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back into today's video. If you're new, welcome, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. So as you can see, the video has already started, and it is in respects to my homeland and nation, Ghana, and the upcoming Independence Day that will be taking place on March 6th. So as you can see, everything that I've used is listed in the video. I will have it in the description bar as well, and I'm actually going to be talking to you guys again throughout this whole video on everything that I'm using. Clearly I rambled on past most of the things I've started with as far as the eyes, but you guys can definitely rewind it back and catch up on what was used and where it's being used. So keep watching and we will continue. So for the first palette I'm using, it is the Morphe 35B palette. It didn't have a true red in it, so I went ahead with this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and used the primary color red to create some more depth. Like I said, that 35B palette didn't have a true red, so I used a red lip base as a base to kind of enhance the red that I'm going for. So I tried my best, but this is what I came up with. I still feel like it looks kind of like pink, but it'll do. And now I'm using the Juvias Place Masquerade palette in the shade Cairo. I went with the Kente cloth that she's wearing as the inspiration as far as the colors that I'm doing on her eyelid. Here I've already applied her winged liner with the Inglot AMC gel liner in the number 77 off camera, and I'm also applying this NYX Gold body crystal liner in the shade Crystal Gold, I believe it is. And now I'm just having her look up. I'm applying the NYX eye pencil in satin blue, and then on top of that I'm setting it with the shade Molly, which is more of a green shade. Now for foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC55. I wanted to match her chest more than I did her face. You're looking like a snacker.
Not even a snack, I'm looking like jollof rice.
I then went ahead and applied lashes off camera as well, which are my Crown of Gold Beauty lashes. They are my brand lashes. They haven't launched yet, but they will very soon, so please keep a lookout for that. And now I'm highlighting the high points of her face with the LA Pro Girl concealer in Chestnut and Fawn. I mixed the two. I didn't want her highlight to be too bright, so I went ahead and mixed the two shades. And here I'm now contouring her cheekbone area with the Ben Nye cream shadow in dark brown. I absolutely love these cream shadows because they just blend so beautifully. It's not a lot of hard work. It goes on really smooth on the skin, and it's just amazing. And here I'm just contouring her nose with that same cream shadow. And I've been using more of my Real Techniques brushes. I got them not too long ago and I absolutely love them. Like, I can definitely see why people rave about them. And here I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder. I honestly don't know what shade it is because I did buy it in a well, I bought it online on their website. I created my own custom colors, so that's not like the palette that you see there isn't going to be one you'll find exactly with those shades in store. I just single-handedly picked those shades to create the colors that I thought best for me. So here I'm outlining her lips with the NYX lip pencil in the shade Club Hopper. And then I am applying a yellow lipstick on her lips from the same Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. And then here I went ahead and used the NYX Face and Body Glitter in yellow gold to add some more dimension and some glam to her lips. Honestly, I wanted it to just be a little more, you know, vibrant and beautiful. So I really love that special edition I did. And here I'm just applying the MAC Cosmetics Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark Deep. I honestly felt like it was like dark or dark deep, but I can't remember, so I just put dark deep, guys. Either one will be fine. I feel like you can't go too wrong. And then I went ahead and used the MAC Gold Iridescent Golden Bronze Loose Powder to give her décolleté and chest some more glow. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love the look. She's giving you all kinds of life, beauty, yes, give them. So again, happy Independence Day to Ghana. I hope you guys are inspired by this look, and I do hope you guys enjoy everything and learn something. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it with your friends, your family. Watch it again if you would like. Please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, and go ahead and like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye.